Okay, good day. I want to show you this Vedic math trick on how to do multiplication here. So we have three numbers that are being multiplied together here. 997 times 1003 times 998. Okay, so what this is a multiplication of three numbers that are near a base number. In this case, our base number here is going to be base number 1000. Okay, so these numbers you can see are all close to base number 1000. 997, you could see, is 3 away. So if we subtract 3 from 1000, we get 997. 1003, we're going to say that's positive 3 away from the base number. So basically, this is a deficiency of 3. This is an excess of 3. And then 998, we're going to go ahead and say that that is minus 2. Okay, minus 2. This is a deficiency. Minus 2 from 1000 gives us 998. So this is our first step when we're doing this multiplication problem here, is to write the deficiencies in excess over here on the right. Now, similarly to how this works in my previous video of multiplying numbers near a base number, okay, what we're going to do is, so let's say we start here at 997. I'm going to add 3, and then I'm going to subtract 2. Okay, so I could either go this way, like this. Basically, it's just like the other video that I have on multiplying near base numbers. Okay, but in this case, we're doing 2. We're doing 2 here, so I could add 3 and subtract 2 from 997. So 997 plus 3 is 1000 minus 2 gives us 998. Okay, that's our left-hand side. Now, also, you could kind of do like this as well. Let's say you don't want to use the number 997. If you want to do like this, you could say 1003 minus 3 and 1003 minus 2. So 1003 minus 3 gives us 1000, and then 1000 minus 2 also gives us 998. Okay, see, we're just doing this just like the previous video that I have on multiplying near a base number. Okay, and finally the third way is this one here, where we have 998. You add 3 and subtract 3. Okay, 998 plus 3 and minus 3 gives us back to 998. So no matter which one you use here, you know, if you use 997 and you go here, if you use 1003 and you go here, no matter which technique we use, you notice that we're always getting 998, okay, for our left-hand side of the answer. So there's our left-hand side of the answer, 998. Now the middle portion, okay, we're going to have the middle portion in the right-hand side. The middle portion, what we're going to do is multiply these deficiencies and excess every combination that we can. In other words, we have negative 3 times positive 3, okay, and then we're going to add negative 3 times negative 2. Okay, so negative 3 times positive 3, negative 3 times negative 2, okay, and then we're going to finally add positive 3 times negative 2. Okay, positive 3 times negative 2. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking the combination of each one of these. Here's the first combo, here's the second combo, and here's the third combo. Okay, negative 3 times 3. Excuse me, negative 3 times 3. Negative 3 times negative 2. Okay, then positive 3 times negative 2. Okay, we're going to add these up. We're going to add these up. So negative 3 times 3 gives us a negative 9. Negative 3 times negative 2 gives us positive 6. And positive 3 times negative 2 gives us a negative 6. Okay. So what we're left with, it looks like if we add these up, negative 9 plus 6 minus 6, it looks like that equals negative 9. Okay, so for the middle portion, we get negative 9, and this is how we write it. We have 3 zeros in the base number, so there's going to be 3 digits allowed in the middle portion. 0, 0, 9 bar. There's your negative 9. Okay, now for the right-hand side, all we do is simply multiply the excess and the deficiencies together. Okay, for the right-hand side, multiply the excess and the deficiencies together. So we have negative 3 times positive 3 times negative 2. Okay, that's negative 9 times negative 2. That equals a positive 18. So we're like this, 0, 1, 8. Okay, 3 digits because we have 3 zeros in the base number. Okay, 3 digits here in the middle portion because we have 3 zeros in the base number. Okay, so this is what we're kind of left with. We get this whole thing. We're going to say this equals 998009 bar 018. Last and final step. All we need to do is get rid of this bar number. To do that, we're going to apply our all from 9, last from 10. Okay, subtracting 1. Okay, to get rid of this bar number, you need to subtract 1. So it looks like we're subtracting 1 from 800. So we have 99799. Okay, and then the all from 9, last from 10. This is a last from 10. It's by itself. 10 minus 9 gives us 1. 018. So here's our final answer. Now, this may be a little bit confusing if this is your first time seeing Vedic math and you don't know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about all from 9, last from 10. If you don't understand base numbers, how base numbers work, I have a couple more videos that show you how these things work. This is kind of an advanced technique. If you have any questions below, I'd like to make maybe a couple more videos for you explaining how this works. If you've never seen this before, go ahead and look over my video on how to multiply numbers when they're near a base number. Okay, that would be the first step. This is kind of something you learn after learning how to do, multiplication near a base number. And what I mean by that is, 102 times 105. Okay, base number 100. So this is plus 2 away. This is plus 5 away. Okay, left-hand side, 102 plus 5 or 105 plus 2 gives us 107. For the right-hand side, multiply straight down. So we get our answer very fast. Okay, this is the basic technique. I have a video on this. If you already know how to do this type of thing, if you already know how to do this, then this would be the next kind of step to learn. I'll make a couple more videos. In the meantime, if you like this type of stuff, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and make sure to like my videos. Okay, thank you.